Good day to everybody. Here is Nicolò from Technical Department RAASM. Today we'll present to you our brand new cable reels for battery charging, ZEUS-RB. And on my left you see the item, the physical item. We have also the paper catalog, and behind me you can see the catalog, the web catalog. The battery charging cable reels is an optimal solution designed by RAASM that allows the end user to create a bridge between the original device of the current and also the farthest delivery points. So you have cable reels inside that goes from 6 up to 9 meters, so you can reach farthest point. You have a thermic protection inside that protect you, the end user, and the item from overload current. And you have also a reset button. These are the main characteristics. This item has several strength points, and we see on the catalog these points, but I can show you. So the first one is the cable guide rollers that you see here on the catalog and also physically on the product. There are rollers, horizontal rollers and vertical rollers. These allow the cable to live longer, okay? The second point is an IP44 protection degree that comes standard on this item. Point 3 is a special electric collector that drastically reduce the overheating during the operation, during the use of this item. Point 4 is the thermal protection that you have inside the cable reels that stops the working, stops the cable reel works if there is a current overload. Okay. Point 5, we have an optional protection degree that is also available, useful to protect against accidental injuries and other sort of problems. The following point is repeated spring stress tests, okay, that allows you to use the cable reel for a lot of years. Almost, we calculate 10 years of use, so 20,000 work cycles. And at the end you have the 1 meter inlet cable, 1.3 meter cable in the inlet as a standard to connect the cable reel for battery charging in the main line, so to connect the item to the main line. On the following page of the catalog we have some application, the one described before. Then you have a big picture of the item, the overall dimension, the codification of the article of the item. So you have the code, you have the length of the cable, for example 4+2 meter or 7+2 meter. You have the max charging current, so the 30 ampere, and then the weight of the article. You can also add accessories, just like the speed control, and you can recognize it by this data plate that is put here. You have also related products, just like the plug in this case, or a lamp in this case, with all your code and measures and characteristics, and other accessories, just like the bayonet bracket that allow you to remove in a fast way your cable reels and replace it in another location. This is our last page of the catalog. You have a little summarize, and then you can find below all our contacts if you need call us or write us. In the description you find the link for our catalog, web catalog. And remember that our tutorial is available also in Italian. For today it is all. See us the next time. Bye bye!